Yeah, we just
What
need
is the problem? What's the next thing we're going to do next time around?
we just need to score goals. We create chances, we get there. We can only win the match by scoring goals. And as strikers, we just need to do better. We need to convert the chances. That's it.
What was the problem today? Not to score chances?
We miss chances. That's the problem.
Can you tell us about the situation happened to you and happened to others, especially when that goal went to the corner? Do you think that was a goal?
No, I have to watch it again. I don't know. I don't
What
know.
do you think for now?
I would want it to be a goal. I would want it to be a goal, but it was not a goal. I have to.
So you are accepting it's not a goal?
I can't overrule the rules. You said it's not a goal. We played.
Yeah. So you're not complaining?
No complain. I don't complain.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
Advice to other players and Zimbabweans, what are you telling them right now? The Zimbabweans, what are you telling them now?
Yeah, to just be patient with us. We appreciate the support. We know as strikers, we really need to score goals for us to win the matches. That's it. And we just need everyone right now. We also as disappointed as they are. And we're just going to look at the game and see what we didn't do well and rectify and just believe God will be on our side on the day.
Where do you see your chance to progress in the next round?
To just score goals, I think we did well. We just need to score goals, brother. Like I don't think there's anything else.
The people in Zimbabwe wanted a game of winning. What are you telling them to do?
What I can say is we created more chances. We failed to convert them. We didn't have luck on our side today.
The next game is another challenge coming up.
Yeah, it's
What are you
another
saying
challenge.
about that?
Yeah, we have to rectify our mistakes and try to score the chance that we get.